And we live on Facebook. All right. So, kids playing the pool. Yes, indeed. Yep. There go Journey. Look like she a fish. Never mind that. All right. At the family. Where you put it? You think he has something to say, Dank? I guess not. Until I get closer. All right, so thank you. What you got to say? Thank you. What you got to say? You on the show?
It's my wife right here. Put my wife on.
Oh, Facebook Live, you know. All right. All right. Yep.
23.
All right.
Give him a round.
All right. All right. Let's. Daddy, you got something to say?
No.
Okay.
I got nothing to say.
All right. All right.
I can say that.
Oh yeah, of course. Oh, okay. All right. Let's go in here. Woo. Let's go in here and see what's up with the other pod. All right. So. All right. All right. What's up? Y'all want to be on the show? Oh, it's a party. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. All right. Oh, it's live right now. Oh, I know. All right. I guess some people camera shy. Shana, you got something to say? No. All right. Jenny, you got something to say? No. Hey, if you're on TV, Rich, what you want to say?
You know what I'm going to say.
All right. All right. All right. All right. I guess Floyd don't want to be on the show no more. He was on the show before, you know. So, all right. So, all right. All right. Let's go back outside. All right. I'm surprised Deanna ain't here. Oh well. I don't own that music in the background, y'all. All right. So Tracy, you don't want to be on the show, huh? Your dad don't want to be on the show. Well, she already on the show. And she was on Jerry Springer. A long time ago, she was on Jerry Springer. So I assume my show is the second show she been on. Yeah, so don't tell her what I see. All right. All right, then that's it for now.